Hi, myself Vamsi Krishna, and I am from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. So I have around 3.5 years of experience as a C++ developer, and apart from C++, I have experience into Linux device drivers and kernel programming up to 3 years. And so I have 2 years of experience in HCL Technologies Chennai, and then I moved to Ignitarium Technology Solutions. Mm, I've been working here from past 1.5 year. Yeah, this is all about myself. Thank you. So I have around 3 years of experience as a Linux device drivers programming and kernel programming also. Apart from C, C++, Linux, I have good knowledge into ADAS, both AutoZAR and some Misra expectors also. And yeah, I have good problem solving skills and good analytical skills as well, and I can solve problems with keen of my knowledge. Thank you. When it comes to my secondary skills, it will be Windows and troubleshooting, and I can say embedded C, C++. Into embedded C++, I have good knowledge into microcontrollers and some ADAS and AutoSAR features as well. And apart from those, I have some good knowledge into some debugging tools called Vector Canoi and WinSCP, and some debugging tools like VS Code, JIRA, and Gerrit as well. And I have good exposure into version control tools like SVN, Tortoise SVN, and Git and GitHub as well. I can say these all are my secondary skills. When I want to say the compliment, like out of five, I can rate 3.5 out of five. Yeah. I have worked as of now. I have worked around three projects, and one project is um, Summit. It was a the client will be KLA Core, which was at HCL Technologies. I worked. So primarily, I've been working for data migration and debugging, and then I moved to Ignitarium. Here, I've been working for two projects. One is Value, and another one is Nvidia. In terms of Value, I can say the project is around about car parking system. So when vehicle is moving, so it will automatically get detected if there is any obstacle or if there are any pole, something, anything it may be, any particles are there, it will be detecting, and it will give the information to the driver that there is something um, something behind you or before you, so that driver will get to know there is something. So they will change their direction or something. If there is no car parked as well, it will show that there is some free space, you can park the car there. So this will all get to know by using four sensor cameras, and one is for rear view, one is for front view, and one is for left side view, one is for right side view. By using these four cameras, we'll get to know that we can just get to know where is the free parking space, or whether it is filled or not. It's a kind of infotainment. And then in the next project I worked is Nvidia. Here I work for poverty violation fixes and some release kind of activities. So every week we'll be having some releases, so I'll be part of that release activities and poverty violation fixes. And then I have good knowledge into debugging, and I've written some modules of code. We'll be having eight elements in our project. So I've been working for one element, that is weight conditions and perception. So I'm the lead of that element. I'll be take care of that element tasks, and assigning the task to my peers as in the freshers who are all the below to me. uh, yeah. So my main responsibilities will be developing the code in C++ using Windows and Linux. And I have good knowledge into Linux platform, Linux device drivers, and kernel programming also. um, yeah, we have used kernels in ADAS and AutoSAR. The main intention of our current project is to develop the GPU chips, the NVIDIA GPU chips that will detect the car parking slots. Yeah, these are all my responsibilities. Thank you. ఒత్తజని బిందుడికి. Okay. So passing by value is a copy of variable is passed to the function. So whatever the changes made inside the function do not affect the original variable. And the passing by reference is the actual variable is passed to the function using a reference. Whatever the changes made inside the function, it will affect to the original variable also. And I can say pass by value copy the variable and do not get changed anything. And pass by reference is reference to be reference, it will copy the reference to the variable, and it will get affect to the original variable also. And if I want to give an example, for example, I'm passing a value called 10. So I can give pass by value in text x equal to x plus 10, and in main function I'm allocating a value 5 to variable a. So I can pass by value using that a variable, and I can store that. That is where we can pass a value. And pass by reference is the same thing. I'm taking a reference for x equal to x plus 10, and I'm allocating a value 5 to the variable a, and I'm passing by a reference by calling a. So in the example that I have provided, in pass by value, the inside increase by value x equal to 15. After increase, the a value will be 5. So in pass by reference, whatever the value that we have given is 15. After increase, the a value will be increased to 15. So the value get changed in reference. There is a difference between pass by value and pass by reference.